Maybe one of the most common complaints I hear is, Rob, I just don't have time to make all those videos. How do you do it? I'm going to show you next. So there's no question that creating video is a time-consuming process. One of the keys to being able to do it and do it efficiently is something called economy of setup. So you can see here, I'm set up today to do a bunch of video recording in my studio. This is my home studio behind us here. And what I'll do is, because I've got everything set up to shoot, I'll aim to do about 10 different videos just today. I'll just do the recording. That's not including editing or any other stuff that I might need to spend time on, including thumbnails, for example, for YouTube. So I'm just going to record. I've got the topic set up. I'm going to get that done. I'll have it batch recorded, as we call it, because we're recording a batch of videos, and then I'll dump them onto my computer here at my editing station at a later time. You can see it there. And once I've got it in there, then I can go in and I can edit whenever I have time to do that and create the thumbnails and get everything ready to go and to post. I'll actually schedule the posts for YouTube, and that way I've got several videos. If I do 10 today, which is the goal, I've got enough for 10 weeks. So I'm good for quite a long period of time, really, and I don't have to worry about it. I can go and do other things that are related to my business while my videos are already set to go. Now for me, I actually wear a black shirt and sometimes a jacket in all of the videos that I do, and you'll see that if you look at some of the other videos on my channel. That's just a branding thing for me, but not everyone does it that way, and that's fine. Just have a change of clothes ready for each new video that you do, at least a change of top. And that way it will look to your audience like you're doing something different on a different day at a different time with each new video that you record. It'll be fresh each time. And that's it. Once you've got your video ideas and you've got your gear set up, you can just go and start recording. And hopefully I'll knock out my 10 videos today, and you can do something very similar as well. It's just a question of managing your time and economy of setup. All the best.